Say hi. Hi, doggy.
Say hi, Patti.
Hi, doggy. There's a close-up.
Okay, now get her.
Hey, doggy. Where's your puppies?
Coco, show them your puppies. Let me see.
Get the puppies out. What are you doing, little one?
Hey. Puppy number 1. Number 2. Their little face is really good.
They're wiggling their feet.
I know, huh? They're a little wiggly. Look at his little tongue.
Aww. His eyes are
Get Patti some more. There's little one, 3.
Oh, nice. Alright.
I think let's get Coco a little bit more. Coco, look at the camera. Here's your puppies. Here's your puppies, Coco. Nope, Coco's cleaning the puppies.
Or eating them, one of the two. Probably cleaning them.
Then get that.
What's he doing? Oh, it's peeing.
Coco, here's your puppy.
He's going to the bathroom.
Okay, Coco, here's your puppy. Get a close-up of Coco's face. Coco, look.
A puppy.
Oh. Hey, Coco, look.
That's fine.